Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to review discount, tax, sale, markup, all those different things. So make sure that you're following along in your notes and that when I ask you to pause, you pause and try it on your own and then kind of check how you did, see where you need some clarification. So this first one says, Jeremiah wants to buy a phone that costs $895. It is on sale right now for 20% off. So the first thing we're going to do is break it up into part, whole, and percent. The first thing I see is that there's a percent sign. So my percent is 20%. Which means that I have to figure out what this $895 is. Well, we're finding 20% of $895. That's the total, so this is the whole. Which means that we do not know what the part is. So we're looking for 20% of 895. So remember that our setup is that the part over the whole equals the percent over 100. If you do it the equation way, that's fine. If you do it this way, I will do an example of that later, but for right now, I'm just going to use this proportion method. So the part is the thing we don't know, so I put a question mark there. The whole is $895. Our percent is 20% divided by 100. So after this, I'm going to cross multiply. I have the question mark times 100 equals, cross multiply the other way, 895 times 20. Let me grab my calculator. You can also use a calculator. Please do. Okay, I'm going to use one. I cannot get it on the screen in this format, so I will not have that. So the thing I can multiply is right here. I don't know question mark times 100, so I can't do that. So I'm going to leave that the same. Then on the other side, 895 times 20 is 17,900. So to find out what question mark is, I need to get rid of this times 100. I get rid of things by doing their opposite, so I'm going to divide by 100. 17,900 divided by 100 is 179. So in this problem, we're talking about a sale. So that means that the price is going to go down and be less than the original price. And when it's less, that means I'm going to subtract. So to find the new price, I'm going to take the starting amount. The phone started at $895.00, and I'm going to subtract the sale price, the $179. And the final cost is going to be $716. Right, this one says, after shopping at Target, the cost of all of Stephanie's items is $15.25. I'm going to underline that while I read it. If sales tax is 7.5%, what is the total she pays? I'm going to break it up into part, whole, and percent. 7.5 is the percent. It has a percent sign. The total is $15.25, right? The cost of her items together. And we're looking for the part, right? We're not looking for more than what it costs yet. We're looking for the piece of it. So our setup is that the part divided by the whole is equal to the percent divided by 100. We said the part is the thing we don't know, so that's where my question mark goes. Divided by the whole, which is the $15.25. Equals, our percent is 7.5%, divided by 100. I'm going to cross multiply, question mark, times 100 equals, cross multiply the other way, 15.25 times 7.5%. I don't know what question mark times 100 is, so I'm just going to leave it alone for now. And then I'm going to do the multiplication on the other side. And it's 114.375. And I'm not going to round yet. Okay, my numbers might not be great, but we're going to save rounding till the end. So to figure out what the question mark is, I need to get rid of the times 100. I do that by doing the opposite thing, which is dividing by 100. You get 1.4375. And you can do that in your calculator. I did. Okay. Oh, my bad. I miswrote it. 1.14375. In this example, we are talking about tax. So tax is extra money. The price is going to go up, so I'm going to add, and it's going to be more than the original amount. So to find the new price, I take the starting price plus the tax amount. My starting price was $15.25. We found the tax to be 1.14375. And it's 16.39375. To make it look like money, I need 2 decimal places, so I have to round. So here's 1. The second decimal place, look next door. 5 or bigger, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. That number, the 3, is 4 or less, so the one we underlined gets to rest. So the 9 is going to stay the same. All right, so I want you to go through and I want you to try these 2 on your own. So pause the video, try these 2 on your own, then come back for the explanation. All right, so I hope you paused and tried it on your own. So I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna go a little bit faster. So this is, Haley is going to a space summer camp. She applied for and got a scholarship that will pay for 75% of the cost. The camp's full cost is $372. How much will she pay for the camp? Well, the first thing I see is that there's a percent, it's 75. And the full cost is $372. That's the whole. And we are always looking for the part in tax tape discount problems. So the part is the thing I don't know, the question mark, divided by the whole is 372, equals, our percent is 75, divided by 100. Then we cross multiply. Question mark times 100 equals 372 times 75. I do the multiplication that I can. 372 times 75 is 27,900. To the question mark by itself, I need to get rid of the times 100. I do that by doing the opposite, which is dividing by 100. So the scholarship will pay for 75% of the cost. That's what they cover, which means that what Haley has to cover is less, right? Someone else is taking care of that. So the price is going to be less than the original amount. So to figure out how much she pays, you take the starting amount minus the discounted amount. So the camp started at $372. They're going to pay for $279, so we're taking that away. And she's left to pay $93. This one says, a clothing company buys a pair of shoes from their manufacturer for $12.92. The company wants to mark up the shoes by 215%. What will be the sale price of the shoes? So the thing we don't know is the part, the cost, $12.92 is the whole, and the percent is 215%. Our setup is that the part divided by the whole equals the percent divided by 100. We don't know the part, that's where the question mark goes. The whole is $12.92. Our percent is 215% divided by 100. We're going to cross multiply. Question mark times 100 equals, cross multiply the other way, 12.92 times 215. Can't multiply question mark times 100. We don't know what that is. But we can do the multiplication on the other side and get 2777.8. To get question mark by itself, I need to get rid of the times 100. So I'm going to divide by 100. $27.778. So in this case, we are talking about a markup. So the price is going to go up and be more than the original, which means we're going to add. So I take this starting cost, the $12.92. I add the markup amount, 27.778. Is 40.698. And money rounds to 2 decimal places. So 1, find your place, look next door. Is it 5 or bigger? Yeah, 8 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to add 1 more to the 9. It becomes a 10. I have to carry the 1 over to the next place value. 1 plus 6 is 7. So they will sell that for $40.70.